Now we're going to see geometry angles and parallel lines. This is class 7, geometry angles and parallel lines. We want to define the relationship between angles and the parallel lines themselves. Before that, we want to see a line, this transversal line. A line that cuts any two or more lines. Any two or more lines. When we say any two or more lines, these are lines now. I've given you in different colors. Line AB, line CD, these are two lines. But there is a line that cuts the two lines. The definition is saying any two or more, which means it can be more than two. You can have another line here. At the same time, this line crossing the three lines at once. Hal mar wada jari kara. So that's why it says any two or more lines is called transversal line. Line bahda aragto line man kala dhaxda ka maray is called transversal line. Now AB, CD, parallel is square. Let me give alamada parallel can see you. Parallel is square. But there is a line that crosses all the way from up there. It goes down, crossing the two lines at once. Hal mar wada mara. Marka hal mar wada marayo, waxay ku tusaysaa markaas this line kan inuu yahay transversal line. Magaciisu waa kaasa. Why transversal line loo dhahay? Because it divides a line or crosses a line or cuts a line to any two or more lines. Example, inta fiiri mar tusaalaha labaad, which is 2 under this one. We have two lines here, P, Q, another line RS. Line kan waa blue arkaysa, it divided, it cuts the two lines. Hal mar wada dhaxmare. Still magaciisu waxaa la Y, sorry, XY. Magaciisu still wuxuu noqonayaa isagana transversal line. Transversal line. Good. Now, cilmiga ku jira marka meeshan. Transversal line kan waxaan maxaa ka dhaxay? Markii layman saa u sameysmaan. oo line kala saa u soo dhaxmaro. Angle saa sameysmaan. Meeqa angle meesha ku jida? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 angles. Xagan ku sameynaa marka 8 angles kan there is a relationship xiriir ka dhaxay. Qaar isku mid ah, qaarna waa kala duwan yihiin. But you can only apply, waxaad apply garan kartaa, hawshaan aad isticmaali kartaa when the two lines are parallel. For example, AB is parallel to CD. Parallel haddaan sharxano, it means lines that will never meet. Yani waa isgarab ordaya, ma kulmaan weligood. Straight line, kan straight. Let's see this example again now. I have PQ and RS, transversal line XY. Xagla meesha ka samaysma marka. Sharxadan way dheer tahay si fiican ula soco. Good. We have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, angle D, G, and angle H. Xiriir ka dhaxay kulligood. Qaar isku mid ah, qaarna isku mid ma. So under this one we are going to learn we are going to learn vertically opposite angles. B, we are going to learn alternate angles. C, we are going to learn corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, in these vertical opposite angles, we are going to see an example. Which angles are vertical opposite? I will write in front of it. Let's start from this part. A is vertically opposite to D. C is vertically opposite to B. A is vertical opposite to D. C is vertical opposite to B. Which means A hadday 50 tahay, D will be 50. C hadday tahay 120, B will be 120. Which means they are the same. Alternate angles are ku imaada marka. Alternate angles are these. They are within, in between the two lines ku dhex jiraan. For example, C is alternate to F. C is alternate to F. E or D mid ka rabta horumarin kartaa. E is alternate to D, which means C hadday tahay 15 degree, F must be 15 degree. E hadday tahay 119 degree, D will be 119 degree because they are alternate angles. Lastly but not the least, ka u dambayso waxaan maraynaa corresponding angles. A aan kasoo bilaabo is correspondent to which angle? Kana ka boodaysa E ay imaanaysa E. B is correspondent to, you jump D, you go to F. B is correspondent to F. Wali waa correspondent oo inoo dhimay wuu badan yahay. Then let's come to C. C is correspondent to E ka bood G. And D is correspondent to F ka bood H. Why are we doing all that? Waxaan u sameynaa, remember, you can only apply this kind of information, vertical, opposite, alternate angles, corresponding angles, only maxaa laga rabaa inaad sameysid when the two lines iska horjeeda ama more than two lines ay parallel yihiin, at the same time a line that passes in between them uu transversal yahay. Angles ka soo baxay iska soo horjeedka saan information kana isticmaalaysa. This is full information. So next example I'll give you so that hal xaba inta dhigana, then we'll look for the rest. Remember, when you add A, B, C, D, total code waxaa laga rabaa 360 isku imaadaan degree. Why? Because they are angles at point. Angles at point alla martaasi ku kulmeen. Kana sidoo kale la mid, when you add all of them, these three, they have to make an angle of 360 because they are angles at point. E, F, G, H make an angle of 360 degree. But this is the simplest example you can use. Vertical opposite angles, AD fiir sawir ku yaalaan iyo CE waa isku mid. Alternate angles CF, CEF geeskana soo maraysa, and the E iyo D ama D iyo E waa isku mid. Corresponding angles AE, BE, BF waa isku mid, CG waa isku mid, DH na waa isku mid. Isku mid waxaan ka wadaa hadday angle tahay ka la 75 degree ka soo horjeeda 75 degree ayuu noqonayaa isagana.